Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna make Burong Mustasa. Let's do it. Now here are the ingredients. We have the rice wash or hugas ng bigas. We have sea salt, and we have mustard leaves here, and we have the empty container here where we're gonna keep the mustard for 3 days. So I'll show you the process. We're gonna put the salt right here. We're gonna put a lot of salt. All right. We're gonna squeeze the leaves with the salt. We're gonna try to squeeze out the liquid from or the juice from the leaves. So what we're gonna do is do like that. Until we get all the juice out. We'll be back with you in a minute. After squeezing, look what happened with the leaves. You know, it shrunk. So we're gonna put this into this empty container, and then we're gonna pour this rice wash, and I'll show you after 2 minutes. Now we're gonna pour in the rice wash or the hugas ng bigas, and then we're gonna soak it, and then we're gonna keep this mustard for 3 days, soak like this, and then after 3 days you have already Burong Mustasa. But we're gonna put a lid on this real tight, and we're gonna keep it here for 3 days. There you go. Here's our finished product, Burong Mustasa. See you in 3 days, and we're gonna saute this.